10 Bambola. Now I heard a little bit of this and I'm excited. I love me some 10. 10. I can eat you up.
Daddy, chill.
And what I meant by that, let me explain myself. I'm just saying that you ate. You 4 plus 4. That's you. But it's not you a 10 though. But like you ate at the same. You get it. Anyways, 10 Bambola. Let's get it. Let's go. What kind of ugly footage is this? Oh, sorry. That was some. Oh, he got the purple highlights. What the fuck? Not my hair. My hair is gonna break if I see that. Look at that. Freaking filmed with a potato. Oh, yeah. I didn't know he was coming in like sheesh. Baby monster up in this hole. What the hell that mean? Wait, what? I'm sorry for pausing, but what the hell are those lyrics? You can fool me. Got your friends in the back. Take a groupie. What the? You mean like a group picture? You know what? I'm gonna think that. Ooh. Ooh. Okay. Oh, it's like oh, hold the fuck up. What the hell was that? Holy shit. Wait. I think I saw this somewhere. That part. Oh, this shit a fun ass song. Holy shit. What? Yo, low-key, this eats though. I'm not gonna lie. Like high-key though. I'm not saying low-key, high-key. Ooh, the change up. Potato. What the fuck? My God. What the hell? Bro, there's so much in the music production. Like even like in the simpler parts too. And then it goes to this part. Talking to. I told you to. Who made this? Who made this? Oh shit. I'm sorry for pausing, but holy shit, there's just so much happening. I've been hearing talk around the time that you say you're one of a kind and you've been telling every lie. Reaching for the sky and then grabbing your devils, they say you're the kind of type that's gonna fall. Okay, there must be a way to flip this. If you think you're the one who make it. Ooh, I love that part where they just cut off the music. Huh. Wait, hold up. What is a bambola? Wait, bro, Ted is eating. I don't know. This whole production is eating. This is like a great definition of what a good like balance of weirdness, music production, just K-pop. You know what I'm saying? Like the flashiness, the intricate like choreography, the weirdness of it, the nicheness. Oh, bambola is a doll in Italian. I see. So basically what he's saying is like, you're like a bambola, like, wait, let me just go back to the beginning. So stupid. My finger, I'm Cupid. My God, I'm too lit. This part. Wait, there's some dancers that I recognize maybe. Bro, I thought that girl was Bailey Sook for a second. I don't think that's not Bailey Sook. I was like double checking. The bambola. I told you. You don't know what to say. Isn't it so exciting? This shit's so crazy though. This whole like production music video, just 10 as like an artist just has aura. He just has aura, bro. Sometimes I wanna play with you real slow. I just knew when to stop and when to go. Love it when you under my control. It's such a fun song, right? You know what I'm saying? Ooh, love that part too. I love the slow down. Wait, who is behind the scenes for this? What you doing? Who have you been talking to? Guess you like a bambola. Guess you do what I told you to. What you doing? What you talking to? Again, the production. This video was made by a Gen Z for sure. It is, but at the same time, it makes it so fun though. It is a lot. It is a lot, but the chorus is catchy. Sometimes it sounds like it doesn't make sense, but it does make sense. That purple drink. Okay, let's calm down. It is very fun. Let me see what people are saying. I'm pretty sure they're like glazing 10 as he deserves. Damn. He just really be on that shit hard. Pause. I don't know what that sound like, but you know what I meant. He just 8, but he a 10. He is an icon. He is the moment. How many views? 1 million in 4 days. Needs more. This shit needs 10 million right now, bro. This shit needs 10 million for real. Hey, yo, be sure to subscribe to my Patreon. You can either be a free member or subscribe for $1. Support your boy. Check out all the first listens over here. If any music video gets blocked, I'll be sure to upload it here for free. Just finished all of EXO Kitty, waiting for season 3 though. We got a lot.